What I would say to someone who wants to get into a dealership, and why I would say Liquid Customs, you're not just purchasing a dealership and a certificate, you're actually getting support. It's not just, here's your equipment, here's your training, now good luck. There's constant support, and you'll feel comfortable with them more than anybody else. I can guarantee that. Think with Liquid Customs, you'll notice a difference in dealership packages. With other companies, you're only set to certain standards, certain prices. You can only get certain things. I found that with Liquid Customs, yes, they have a list of what you're going to receive, but they'll give you more. If you want to change things, they'll change it. They'll willing to work with you and help you in every way. One thing I have to say, if you're looking into dealerships, look around and compare what you're given, not just in training and equipment, but everything, and then make your decision. I believe you'll go with Liquid Customs. That's what I did.